So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Rejoice Edwin. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Rejoice Edwin. And if you're a returnee, you're a subscriber, you're very much welcome and thank you so much for subscribing. But if you're seeing me the first time on your screen, please do subscribe to my channel and do give me a thumbs up in this video if you like it. So in this video, I'll be mentioning five best soaps that I will recommend for those who are light skinned. Yes. So if you're light skinned and you feel like you want to brighten up your skin, you want your skin to be glowy, you want to remove pimples, dark spot, acne, these soaps that I'm mentioning, these five soaps that I'm mentioning will do that job for you. So keep watching. So welcome back guys. If you are having problems in looking for a good soap for your skin, most especially for those who are light skin, for those who are fair in complexion, well, your problem is solved because in this video I'll be measuring five whitening soap for your skin, most especially for my white skin babies. Let's get started. Yes, the number one is the Asante Papaya herbal lightening soap. Like this soap has been for ages. I don't even know this soap. It has been for ages. I've been hearing of the name. People have been like, so I decided to make a research about this soap. And from what I've seen, the soap is good for those who want to lighten their skin, who wants to have a bright skin, and who wants to have a smooth skin. Because this soap contains vitamin A and E that helps in fighting acne and aging. So there's a higher possibility that if you're using this soap, you'll not be having problems of acne and also aging. And it lathers very well and it's also smooth on the skin. Then our number two, yes, is the K Brother soap. I've seen the soap before and I've used it. It's very good. K Brother Soup. Yes, it's the K Brother Soup. So now, what does this K Brother Soup do? Well, it's for lightening, like for brightening of your skin. Yes, it brightens your skin. It gives it that glowy look you're looking for. Yes, and it's not a bleaching soap. Beware, K Brother soap is not a bleaching soap. It's just a natural soap that on its own it lightens the skin. And that is why I said it's for those who are light skinned. Yes. Our number three. The number three soap I'll be mentioning is the Hawaii Papaya Calamansi Soap. Yes. We also have the Hawaii Carrot Soap. We also have the one that I just mentioned, the Calamansi Soap. So the both of it is very good, but let's center on the Calamansi, not the carrot. So now it exfoliates your skin and purifies your skin. How? Well, by eliminating dead cells on your skin. So this is what the soap do, exfoliating of your skin. Yes, and also it lightens your skin. So for a lighter skin, for a brightened skin, you go for this. It's not that expensive, I believe, in Nigeria. Let's say the highest it will rate will be 1,000 naira. Yes. Our number four. Our number four is my favorite. Like that's the soap I'm currently using right now. Is the extract whitening soap. Yes, so this is the soap I'm currently using. This one. Yes, the extract. I'm currently using this soap, and I'll be telling you guys this one because this is out of experience. This soap here is not for whitening. Let's say it's for the maintenance of the skin. Yes, this soap removes. I am telling you, it removes stubborn pimples, stubborn dark spots, acne from your face within 3 days. Yes, I'm telling you this out of what has happened to me within 3 days. And also, it leaves a lasting. It has a sweet fragrance that lasts on the body. Yes. So if you want to maintain your skin, if you have gotten to a point where your skin is now bright and you feel like I want to maintain my skin, I want my skin color to be like this permanently, this is where this soap comes in. It's not for whitening, but it's for maintenance of the skin. And also it bring out your real skin color. It gives you that shiny skin color of yours. Yes. So that's why I love using this soap, this extract whitening soap. But it's not as if the other soap that I've mentioned are not good. No, they're very much okay. I'm telling you this because I'm currently using the soap. Assuming I'm using those other soap that I mentioned, that's how I'll be telling you guys. Our last one, our last but not the least, is the anti-pimple soap. Yes, anti-pimple soap. So now it remove acne and it also lightens your skin. It's for those who are light skinned. So if you're suffering from pimples, you can use the anti-pimple soap. Yes, the anti-pimple soap. So these five soaps that I've mentioned are very affordable in Nigeria, and they are also good for those who want to brighten up their skin. So take any of these five soaps in any shop, be it a Roban store, be it a cosmetic shop, to get one for yourself and see the result. In my next video, I'll be doing a video for soaps for our dark skin babies in the house. So please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. But for now, bye.